You've been asking me for more family homes and I found a great one right here in Burdale. I'm Abigail Fairbanks from Cutting Edge Property. Let's go inside and check this one out. 13 Apollonia Street in Burdale has just been freshly painted. It's tiled throughout for easy maintenance and features split system air conditioning, so all that's left is for your family to move in and enjoy. The kitchen is large and central. It features 5 seats at the breakfast bar, room for a large plum fridge and heaps of storage. The main living area is the ideal spot to keep the chef company or sit back and read a book. And this dedicated theatre room is the perfect spot to cozy up with the family and watch a movie. There's even a study. It's the perfect spot if you work from home or need the kids to do the homework. The 3 children's bedrooms are large enough for queen-size beds, have built-in robes and split-system air conditioning. The main bedroom is located away from the children's bedrooms. It's got room for a king-size bed, a walk-in wardrobe and a modern ensuite with a double shower and a double vanity. The family bathroom has a separate shower and tub for those self-care Sundays. Outside you'll find this oversized patio, which is the perfect place to host family and friends for a barbecue. There's double gate side access so you can store your boat or trailer, and plenty of room on your 621 square metre block for the kids and pets to run around. Burdale is a family-friendly suburb with plenty of plans for growth and development, with new infrastructure already in place. Townsville's largest employers are about a 20-minute drive via the Ring Road, with ice cream at the Strand also about 20 minutes away via Woolcock Street. Burdale properties are hotter than the Townsville summer, so you better be quick on this one. I'll see you right here this weekend.